I think all physiologists accept mirror system in the monkey, especially now that there are these beautiful data from Roger Lemon in London, which controlled EMG and so on. So it's really, and the group in Tübingen. So I think for all neurophysiologists, there's a basic mechanism. It will be in the new Candel edition, so will be all. Psychologists, some type of psychologists, have difficulty in accepting because somehow it's not in the line with cognitive psychology, which think there are many boxes. I already mentioned about Volker Prinz, who is an extremely intelligent person, still has some difficulty to accept that we don't need a kind of supramodal box. So they like this complicated inferior stuff. So for them, ideologically, something which is unpleasant, to have a simple mechanism which explains high function. And so there are some kind of attempt to say, well, that's okay for monkey, but humans are different. And here I, unfortunately, the editor does not accept my last part. In a paper I wrote, the people who doesn't accept mirror neurons is because they are not Darwinian. They are convinced that humans are a species has nothing to do with monkeys. I think there is kind of crazy thing, but if there is a mechanism which is so useful in birds, in monkeys, and there is indirect evidence in present humans why humans should have one mechanism for perception, one per action, it's crazy. But ideologically, not because they are fundamentalists, but simply they still think that human being is something special. It should be a special boxes, which in certain sense they're right, because language is different, some symbolic acting, but the basic thing, we are very similar to other animals.